So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make part 4. And I'm also going to include in this video the 2 most common mistakes that students make when they're doing Onshape. So we're going to sketch. It's going to ask us what plane we want to use. We're going to use the right plane. We're going to look in on that directly on that plane. I'm going to draw the shape like this using just straight lines. Ensuring the lines are dotted to make them vertical. Now, and then we hit D for dimension on our keyboard. Now we're going to just click this out here and we're just going to put in a mistake here. So we're going to make this 8. 6. Okay, and hit return. Now this is actually wrong because we want this here to be 4. So this can happen sometimes. You make the dimension wrong. All you simply have to do there is double click the line, make it 4, and that'll fix it up for you then. Here, we want to make this here 6. I want to make this here 16. To make this here 6. And this here 4. Again, I'm not going to put in this dimension here. I'm just going to make a kind of a mistake on this here. Alright, so now we're going to draw a line again from here to here. This is going to give us, undo that. Okay, so a line from here to here. This is going to give us an axis to revolve this around. Here next we're going to hit revolve. And it's going to ask us what edges do we want to revolve. So we're going to click this, 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 and this. And then it's going to ask us what do we want to revolve it around. So we want to revolve it around this piece here. And so now you can see there's the shape completed. So that's part 4. Now, but we've made a mistake in it. Okay, so how are we going to fix that there? So if we go back here to our sketch, right click on it, edit sketch. Let's look straight in at this here. And then we forgot to dimension, so hit D for dimension. Forgot to dimension this height here. And that height there is half of 15, so it's 7.5. Hit return there. Green tick that. Now our shape is the exact dimension.